Hi, just a short video to show this Dyson V6 cordless vacuum cleaner. It's in full working order. It comes with a combination tool and a crevice tool, a replacement brand new charger, the bush bar head. This I've taken apart, fully cleaned and put back together. It does have dust in tight places again. The wand, which cosmetically has some scratches on it. That's why I make these videos, so you can actually see the condition. The scratch there, but it's only cosmetic. And then the main head. Excuse me. It's a used item, so it has used marks, but it's full working order. So I have cleaned, washed, dried the filter. The main head I've washed inside and out and dried. The bin I've washed and dried. It does have used marks. The filter on the back has been cleaned also. It comes with a brand new 4000 mAh battery just for this listing. Right, the first mode is economy mode, so the battery will last longer. When you press the button on the back, the light goes blue and it goes to boost mode, so it's more powerful, but the battery doesn't last as long until you recharge it. I'll just show it working quickly. I do have many other Dysons and Sharks in stock, but the Sharks vacuum cleaners are for collection only due to the size of them. So it's in full working order. Any questions, please just ask. Thank you.